Ma'am Angelica Sulayo. Yung sugol lang kami naman. Anong grade? 3,000. Hindi rin yan pwede maritay. Ano man nga na nakabutang mo? Angelica Sulayo. Sa Des Marketing ko na Bartolome Street. Yan.
So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white.
And with that, the 2023 season comes to an end. Good night.
Surprises and gifts delivery. Looking for a perfect surprise gift for your loved ones? Look, now we do Van Trunk Surprise. We just don't deliver gifts. We deliver memories. We deliver anywhere in Leyte and Samar. Surprises and gifts delivery.
Hello guys, good morning everyone, and we are here at Catbalogan City to surprise our celebrant na si Ma'am Angelica sa kanilang anniversary together ni Sir Jay. So ayun, mabiwitness na naman natin ang isa namang anniversary surprise dito sa Catbalogan City. At maraming salamat po kay Sir Jay for choosing surprise and gift delivery, for being a part of your anniversary together with Ma'am Angelica. So ayun, ito po yung set of package na pili ni Sir Jay para sa kanyang minamahal dito sa Catbalogan City. So ayun, si Sir Jace nga pala ay isang seafarer. At ito po yung set of package na napili niya. Red and gold po pala yung napili niya with anniversary cursive na banner. And of course ang ating sash. And of course ang ating customized cake na 6th anniversary saying. And of course, ang ating 1,000 worth of money bouquet. Then ang ating chocolate, ang ating satin flowers, and of course, yung ating foil balloon. And ang ating mga pictures together with Ma'am Angelica and Sir Jace. So yun, yung mga adventures nila, nais nilang dikit dito sa ating car trunk surprise. So yun, thank you so much again Sir Jace for choosing us to be part of your anniversary together with Ma'am Angelica. So ayun, sana po ay tumagal pa yung pagsasama nyo, at sana po kayo na po yung forever na dalawa. So ayun, maraming salamat po again, and sa mga nais pong pa-surprise sa kanilang mga sa buhay dito sa Leyte and Samar, just contact surprises and gift delivery, at kami na pong bahalang mag-surprise sa mga naiwan nyo dito. At 100% po, guaranteed namin na nasa mabuting kamay at nasa mabuting car trunk surprise po yung pera nyo. So ayun, thank you so much again. God bless everyone, keep safe, and peace out. Ma'am, aday Ma'am Angelica Sulayo. Ano yun? Record na ka, ma'am? Yan naman. Pwede ba naway mo bayad? Yung sugo lang kami naman. Anong grab? 3,000. Hindi naman yan pwede ma-return. Ano man nga na nakabutang mo? Angelica Sulayaw. Sa desk marketing ko na Bartolome Street. Yan. Papacheck na kayo, ma'am.
So as long as I live, I love you. We'll have a hold you.
Happy anniversary
Happy
po!
anniversary daw, sabi ni sir. Arrange ko na po.
For you to stay right here
Dili ka, ma'am.
But it hurts so bad I can't even know. I wanna go I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna
Happy anniversary, ma'am.
shooting in everything you do.
So, ayan. Happy anniversary po! Yeah.
1,000 miles between us now. Cause it's me
May pa-shush pa.
I love too much. It makes makes our is right all alone.
So, ayan. Happy anniversary, ma'am. And Sir Jace. Kami ngayon ang surprises at gift delivery. Naging contact ko ni Sir para mapalipay kaya na iyo anniversary. May message ko yan, Didi. Hi, Angelica. Happy 6th anniversary. Angelica, mahal kita ngayon at hanggang sa huli. Salamat sa lahat, saya at memories. Ang pag-ibig natin ang pinakamagandang bagay na nangyari sa atin. Cheers to more years of love, more adventures, and more moments to cherish together. Mahal na mahal kita, Angelica. Nganda ko na salamat imo paghigugma. Paghigugma mo hahapon, bisan man kita always diri magkaupod, nan magkaiba man kita lugar, oras, adi lagi hap ako ang paghigugma imo. Diri man always ako harayo haim, balang araw, always na ikaw makakaupod. Basta always like ikaw permingan, tagan kita in maupay nga panlawas ng Ginoo. Sorry kung minsan pasaway ako haimo, pero mas mahal ko ikaw. Nganda mo pa nga akong plano para haaton. Damo nga salamat itimo, haimo Angelica. Mahal na mahal ko ikaw. From Jace. So ayan, happy anniversary po haiyo, ma'am. Ikaw po, ano po yung message ko para kan sir?
Thank you ha, tanan-tanan. Stay strong and hinay always nila. Adila ko permihay mo. I love you.
Happy anniversary, ma'am. So may idea ka kanina, ma'am, na may surprise sa iyo. Sige, pakayanain mo. So ayan, happy anniversary. Thank you so much po, Sir Jace, for choosing surprises and gift delivery. Yan, sana mas damo pa nga iyo rice it mahingatuan niyo ni Ma'am Angelica. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nga happy anniversary. Kadi po niya cake para gihapain mo, ma'am. Ikakanto natin, baka mo natin na siya balo. Ayan, happy anniversary. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yan, mapapicture lang. Sige, ma'am, pwede ka didilumin ko. Tapos,
You look so beautiful in white. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in